So today we have here the Dewalt 20v blower brushless and the Dewalt string trimmer. Just going to be doing a quick time-lapse video of opening the box and assembling it. So first up here we have the string trimmer that I've just opened up, and we have the guards. It's super simple to install. It's just 2 screws. Just use a Phillips screwdriver. It takes only a matter of seconds. So next we have the handle that we're going to install. Super easy to install. It comes with the Allen key wrench that you need to tighten. I did put it in the wrong position to start. I put it in the lower end, the lower half of the folding bracket. It should be on the top half. So you'll see me correct that there. Next here, I'm just opening up a charger and a 5-amp battery that came with the unit. It came as a promotion. If you buy the 2 bare tools, you get the free battery and the charger, which was great. So here we have the blower that I've just opened up, and I did struggle with it just a little bit, getting the tube to sit inside the actual position properly, and I didn't want to force it, but it did take some pushing down to actually get into position. And here's just a finished look of what it looks like. So there was the string trimmer folded, and there's the blower. It's pretty amazing how compact and lightweight these are, and I can't wait to try them out and get rid of my gas equipment still. My still is amazing, but this will be much better.